Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dima Tutorials, and Dima Tutorials, as you already know, is an educational channel on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. Okay, today I started a series on JAMB past questions. What I'm going to be doing is to answer a question on JAMB past questions, on JAMB use of English past questions every day. So I'm going to be uploading videos every day. Each day we're going to answer a question from the past questions. I hope it's a good idea. All right, before I go ahead, in case you didn't already know, there is an online class that started since November 4th, 2024. And if you've not joined us, you're already falling behind. Honestly, you're already falling behind because we've covered a lot of topics. And the target is to cover the topics, all the topics in the syllabus by the end of February. And by March, we're going to start our revisions. Okay. If you've not joined us already, you've missed a lot. We have teachers of all the subjects: chemistry, physics, mathematics, use of English handled by me, literature, government, all the CRS, all the subjects, we have teachers. So make sure you find yourself in our online class, and the fee is just minimum, just 1,000 naira per subject per month. 1,000 naira per subject per month. Make sure if you really want to smash JAMB UTM in 2025, make sure you are in our online class. Okay, I don't know how to say this, but make sure, because we have a lot. We don't just offer lessons. Okay, it's not just all about the lessons, or we have lessons every single day from Monday to Sunday. Like every single day you are learning in our online classes. Every single day you are learning. So make sure you join us. The fee is just 1,000 naira per subject per month. Okay, so I want us to look at this question from the past questions. The pen which you have just picked up is dash. I have Charles, 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 Charles. Okay, now, which one is the correct answer? Which of this is the correct answer? Which is the right way of writing Charles? Okay, now this question now is on possessive apostrophe. Possessive apostrophe. What's possessive apostrophe? Okay, now possessive apostrophe is just a punctuation mark that you use in showing possession. It's used in showing that something belongs to someone. Let's take, for example, this is the mass channel. This is the mass channel. Okay, now when you say Dimash channel, you're going to add apostrophe S, right? Now, the apostrophe is a punctuation mark that shows that the channel belongs to Dima. Okay, so possessive apostrophe is this in showing that something belongs to someone. Now the question is, how do you use possessive apostrophe with words, with nouns that already end with the letter S? Do we say do you write apostrophe S, or we should leave out the apostrophe, or we should just write S? How do we use the punctuation mark? How do we use possessive apostrophe in words that end with letter S? Okay, or in nouns that end with letter S? Okay, now this is very simple. Now we have a single noun. Okay, a single noun, name of a person that ends letter S. What we're going to do is just to add apostrophe at the end of the word. Let's take, for example, Charles. Charles. So what you're gonna do is just to add apostrophe at the end of the word. After that is after S that ends the word Charles. Okay. Princess. What you're gonna do if you want to say that this is princess car, what you just have to do is to add apostrophe after the S, okay, to show possession. Now, words that end letter S, okay, now single nouns that end letter S, you should either add apostrophe after the S, or you add apostrophe and an S. Okay, so it's right for you to say this is Princess's car, this is Charles's pen, okay, this is Williams's car, things like that. Okay, so when you add, you can add apostrophe S or just add apostrophe in words that end in single nouns. I mean single nouns, names of people that end with the word that end with the letter S. Okay, single nouns that end the letter S. Okay, now when you have plural nouns that end with the letter S, how do you show possession? How do you show that that something belongs to the plural noun? Let's say, for example, boys, girls. Okay, when you want to say something like girls hostel, where do you write the apostrophe? You write the apostrophe after S. Okay, you write the apostrophe after S. Or boys, let's say boys quarters, the apostrophe has to come after S. Okay, the apostrophe has to come after S. Now, unlike single nouns that end with the letter S, like princess, like Charles, okay, where you can write apostrophe S, plural nouns that end with s, you don't write apostrophe s. So all you just write is apostrophe, okay? Apostrophe. So you cannot say Gelsey's hostel, but you can say Chelsea's pen, okay? You cannot say Boyce's car. You cannot say Boyce's car, but you can say Princess's car. I hope you understood. Okay, so when you have single noun means of people that end with s, you can add apostrophe to it, or you can write apostrophe s to show possession. Okay, I hope that is clear. So now it's time for us to answer this question. I've already answered the question, so just pick the right answer. Which one is the correct answer? The pen which I have just picked up is that you have Charles, 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 Charles. So which one is correct? Alright, option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B with with an apostrophe after the S. Okay, that's the correct answer. So that is it about possessive apostrophe. Possessive apostrophe. Okay, that is about possessive apostrophe. Now, before I go, do not forget to join our online classes. If you are preparing for JAMB this year, use the number that is on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again tomorrow, and I hope to see you in class. Bye bye.